Hi guys, what's going on? So today's the day of the farm tour, but this decided to happen and we're having a mini snowstorm and I don't know. So let's go first into the workshop. Let's talk about naming Terrian and then I'll decide if we go on the tour. Alright, catch you guys soon. So yesterday was not good. I tried to do the farm tour but wasn't having it. It was too cold, too snowy, and yeah. So today we're gonna do it. Alright, so just a little bit of overview. We have 3 stalls, 2 here and 1 further up the road. The one up there doesn't really have, it's not active, so we have some calves there and some sheep, but the 2 here are the active stalls. They're the ones that we're using, so let's go see them. Hey, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a voiceover, but whatever. So this is the smallest stall. This is new built. I don't know when it was built, but yeah, let's go check out what's inside. Yeah, this is a big sliding door we have here. So we slide it away. It's like a big hall. So here we have 1 set of cows. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cows down here. And these are all Swiss brown cows. Hello. Hello, say hi to the camera. Hello. Hello. Good girl. See our skin nice and flawless? Drink a lot of water and you will be also flawless. Yeah, so now they're just relaxing. Yeah, it's almost lunchtime. They're not hungry or anything. I'll give them some hay soon. Yeah, but they're just chilling out. Yeah, I don't like this stall because it's very like narrow. Yeah, but yeah, so this here is a tank, and I will have to explain to you guys about this in a voiceover. Let me do that right now. Okay guys, so as I was explaining before, this is a big tank. My boss was supposed to give me some more information on this, but I didn't get it in time because they have a wedding today. But anyways, I know that he said it's 2 meters deep and it is 18 by 12 meters wide, and this is where all the dung from the cow and the horses go, and it is later used as fertilizer for the pastures. Yeah, so it's quite deep. Better not fall in it. After every 6 weeks or so it gets full and they withdraw it using this truck. It is later spread or immediately spread on the fields as fertilizer. It's quite impressive. I've never seen a system like this, so I was very impressed. Oh, and I should also mention that for every stall there is a tank like this. So this stall that you're seeing in the footage is the bigger stall, so there's a bigger tank, and I don't know the size of that one. All right, and so the small calves, we keep them out here. She's over a month because I came here and met her here. Also these 2, they're over a month old. Yeah, so we keep them in igloos, and I have to press if it's on. This is also the tank. You can't see inside, but it's quite deep. This is the other building. This is the other building. This is the bigger building. And Terrian is hanging out here. Terrian is here. Say hi to it. It's very dark. Alright, and in here is where we have some more calves, and these are over a month as well. I'm not really sure how old they are, but they're all female. We have some here as well. So we're raising these or rearing these for sale and to replace cows we have here. And here's the nookies we use to feed them. And yeah, so after they get their milk, then they graze on some grass as well and some pellets, a bit of pellets. Alright, so here we have two ladies here. We have two ladies. These are about to, they're on dry off, so they're not giving so much milk. And I think this one gave birth, so she's giving milk. This one is on dry off, so we feed them not the best of hay, but still they're fed hay. And these here, they're all male. Yeah, and they are going to be sold as veal meat. And this is where they drink. They drink from an automat. I don't know if you can see it. It's quite dark here. And this is the to the milk they get, we add milk powder because we want them to be lean and nice for good meat. And this is the automat. So this is the automat, and the milk goes in here. Milk goes in here, and they drink from that little thing here. Hello, excuse out of my camera. Excuse. Okay. Mister, you know when me go in here, so them bad me up, you know? Them bad me up. Me have to run from them like thieves. So look, then just jumpy. Come. Then jumpy. Come. Them bad me, then run me down this morning. To run from them. Say cheese. Cheese. Alright, so that's that for this side. This is just a little garden that the wife of the boss does. It's nice. Alright, so quickly let's go and check out. Yeah, this is for transporting animals, and they're transporting them to the other, probably the beef farm. Right, and this is like the mechanical area. So the mechanic comes, he crashed the tractor the other day, so he has to be fixing that. This is where they store oil. It's here, we have water, juice here if we need something to drink. And this room, yeah, so this is the heating room. So we keep our jackets. I don't know who all these jackets belong to, because I think there are people who have been here and they come and leave them. And this is the heater. So it's where we also put all the wipes from where we wipe the hood of the cows. You let it dry, and then you put it in here. This system heats the whole house. It heats the house, it heats the water, and it is basically a wood system. So they fill it with wood and some garbage, not all garbage, but some of the garbage, fill it with wood, and then it heats the house. So they're kind of off the grid. They have their own heat supply, heating, and in here is very warm. This is the temperature. Oh, that's the temperature. So let's say how much is it? 30 degrees. 30 degrees Celsius. And we keep our boots in here. The boots that we used to go in the stall. Keep it warm. Alright, moving on. Laszlo, let's do angst on camera. Let's do angst on camera. Let's do angst. Nice?
Oh, very good.
Yeah, so this is where we have 30 cows. And this is where the milking operation happens, like the machine and so on. Oh. Where we store the different sacks of wood grains. Just big there. This is the mixing machine, and Laszlo is making the mixture. I used to make the mixture, but it's too hard for me, so Laszlo is doing it. And yeah, more sawdust. Oh, it's kind of a little bit of a mess now, but we're gonna clean up. And different grains again. Yeah. We have, it's like a storage room here. And this is the milk powder that we give to the meat calves. Yeah, so that's it for here. So this is one of the tractor, the one that crashed. So the mechanic is fixing it. And this is the other side. And yeah, the hallway. And here we have, the cows have the name, the date of birth is on it, everything is there. And this is the milk room where we sanitize the buckets, hot water. Before we feed the calves, we heat the milk with this machine, with this thing here. So that's that. And this is where we store the milk. So this is the system, and these are the milking machine. So this is one milking machine, this is one milking machine, one, right. And this is, okay, so let me show you where this is the system. So one is for air and one is for the milk. I think this is for the, I don't know which one is which, to be honest. Let me see if I can go between one of these cows. If you can see. Oh, come, go. So here you put it here. Oh, you plug it in here, and one is air for the machine to pump the milk, and one is where the milk goes in. And then what happens next is the milk goes through the pipe, and then it goes in this here. It goes here, and then somehow comes in here. And then when the milk truck comes, collect the milk in the morning, he attaches it, his hose to this, and then they take the milk. I'm not in the milking room as yet, so I still haven't learned like how to clean them, how to attach them and whatever. But I've learned how to attach it to the udder of the cow. Like the udder here. I've learned how to attach them to the udder of the cow. And yeah, I'm here for a month now, so still have a lot to learn. My chef is going to show us. Man move fast, yes man. He's going to show us how. So this is the top part of the. Huh? This is the top part of the second stall, the big stall that I told you guys about. And this is over. This is also where we store the hay or the hoe. He's going up on the crane. Hey, that's it high now, and then it looks so high. It's a big one. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, more feed, more straw. So this is another hole where the heavenly manna comes from in the cow's mind. It's probably food falling from the sky, but it's just us bringing putting the food down here, and so we can better feed them. And
all year round because of the